summer program from Jnanamarga this year, 2021, is about to start, and we offer distance education for the incoming class 11 students and the class 12 students. And our program is for both students based in India and also in other international locations. The Jnanamarga platform is built on ebooks, and it is an ebook enhancement technology patented US patent 10984668 platform for collaborative learning. We were awarded the technology solution for school education institutes, a prestigious award by the World Education Summit. In order to make our platform, we work extensively with teams in IIT Chennai and affiliates to prepare both our slide decks for both JEE and NEET. And we did full indexing of the ebooks from NCERT with the IIT PAL lectures. And the IIT PAL lectures are extensive, broad, and comprehensive for students. In terms of the summer program, which is going to start in early May, there are three types of students that we are looking to target. One is the incoming students from class 10 to class 11. I know because of COVID-19, class 10 students have been pushed to class 11 and are ready to get started on a strong footing with class 11. And so we have a very, very solid program for them to get going right away. The class 11 students have a catch-up, who felt that the last year has not been a good year for them in terms of preparing for either for NEET JEE or even for the boards. So we provide a class 11 catch-up and then an early start for class 12. Then finally, for the students who did have a productive year, we have a class 10, 12. We do a brush up of class 11 and then we take them forward with class 12. So for the incoming class 11 students, these are students who have just completed class 10, moving to class 11. Some have not decided which group to go. They can still join our program and then they can decide later. We provide STEM fundamentals that include class 11 entry. Weekly students have to allocate about 8 hours just for the lecture and then another 10-15 hours for our apps. This is if they are looking to study for 4 subjects. Now, additionally, assignments and quizzing will be added to the program, and students will be given work to do, and so that they build on the fundamentals and they strengthen their ability. These are crucial years. Class 11 is a very crucial year if you want to take these very competitive exams. We start with a pre-calculus and calculus for physics for students, and then we take them on to mechanics based on where we want to go, and then we will have a very good biology program. But before that, you got to, if you know I am going for NEET, right, then you should have a plan for how you're going to complete the 2 years of preparation. Ideally, you do this summer and next summer, or you look to be completely ready for the NEET 2023. Now, for chemistry for class 11, again, you must have a very solid program. Work with Dr. Tiwari. For biology, of course, there is Professor G.K. Bhatt, very famous teacher from Jnanamarga. We are so proud of all our teachers. Then there is the maths plan also. Whether you're taking JEE or APs, you will get a very solid maths plan. Now, for the students who are in our international program, we also have the SAT prep. The incoming class 11 is the perfect time to get yourself completely ready, because you would have already have done all the geometry, etc. We'll do a refresher with that, and then you will work with Sangeeta Sashindran's team in building up your SAT abilities if you have chosen international education, and then you can do 1 or 2 APs along with that. Now, the class 11 students can do the same thing. They can also get themselves ready for the SAT, if they want an international education. But otherwise, we provide very solid STEM fundamentals for the class 11 students. They will complete the class 11 material and then go to class 12, and then get a very, very solid early start on class 12. So, these two are very important if you want to do NEET or JEE. Now, then the students who did have a productive year, they will also get a very good chance at preparing yourself for class 12. And of course, if you are going for the international program, we will provide again a geometry refresher. But we know that your test, you will probably have to take it sometime in the fall. And so you must prepare adequately for the SAT test if that's the road you want to go. Then exams plan for SAT at 80. Okay. Schools can work with us. We love to work with schools, and what the school can do is they can work closely and they can give individualized attention from their side as well for the particular student, and we can have a different types of based on the different types of programs, we can have a revenue sharing relationship as well. Now they can also assign an individual teacher to or administrator to oversee our school program, and then you can even follow the students progress on an individual basis. They can otherwise offer this as a co-branded program to their students. And finally, if they want to take a more hands-off approach but still help the students, what they can do is they can introduce our program to the students and the parents, and they can attend the open houses that we will discuss next. The first type of open house we have is the school open house. This is with a decision maker or school, principal, important teacher in the STEM system who is trying to help students. So for you, we schedule a half-hour Google Meet call. You just have to send an email to engagement@jnanamarga.in. There should be an jnanamarga.in. Okay. So send an email to engagement@jnanamarga.in, right? And we will set up a time which is convenient for you. Just provide us some time and we'll make it happen. The next set of open houses we have is on the 30th and the 1st. These are set times, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST on the 1st as well. Now, and these are the Google Meet links. Please note them down because you will have to join at that particular time. And this is for both students and their parents. You can also confirm your presence by replying to us so that we send you an invite. Okay. And then if these timings are not convenient, again send us the email engagement@jnanamarga.in. So our programs, our flagship for JEE students is the Ramanujan app, and the Ramanujan app, when it comes, we also have the high-end tablet platform. High-end tablet platform also comes with HC Verma on the tablet, and we also give the students other books to prepare like CEngage, Solomon's, and of course all the NCERT books come as these e-books, and then fully integrated with our slide deck I already mentioned, and of course the 500 plus IIT PAL lectures that you need. Then students can complement this. We ourselves provide some testing, and on top of that there is the question bank for 39 years, and then the e-Abhyas and the Diksha app to go with it. So the student, once he gets in, he has a full program and he can become as good as he wants during the summer. And this is the perfect time for students to get in and do justice to their plans. Now, you will see a demo during the open house, but this is roughly how the app looks. You get all the resources in the context of both the syllabus and the textbook, videos, Moodle, slides, books, and chat, and so that is the full comprehensive plan that we have for students. You get going and you do very well as you go forward. You go from foundation to foundation, success to success, step by step. Now, the second program is the Sushruta for NEET program. There a lot of students will be working extensively with Professor GK, but for biology, we are looking to have students who excel in biology, physics, chemistry, and of course they will also come through the physics program that we have, which starts with some calculus, so that they have calculus and vectors for physics, and then they go from there on to additional material. They then build as the summer goes. They build on the plans that we have. Again, integration with e-Abhyas, and if you get our tablet platform, you will get A to Z books and for biology, chemistry as well. And so you get a very comprehensive set of solutions similar to the Ramanujan app. You have physics, chemistry, biology, along with formula sheets, etc. And the testing apps from CEngage, A to Z apps, and then of course you also get on top of that you get the associated with the syllabus and the textbook you get in context learning from videos and slides. Both very very important. That's what makes our system extremely good. And this is the full comprehensive solution working with Professor G.K. Bhatt, Dr. Tiwari, and myself. Our program for international students is also affiliated with our apexams.us platform. We are currently readying students for maths, physics, and biology for the AP exam, and they're all the AP exams are next month in May, and this has been a successful program for us, and we are looking to add to that the SAT program where we'll be working with Sangeeta Sashindran. She has over 20 years in test prep, and she knows exactly how to get students ready for success in the SAT. Now, on top of that, I want to mention that many schools, not just in the US, but also in the UAE, like American University Dubai, AMIT University Dubai, Al Faisal University Saudi Arabia, and of course schools in India as well, BITS Pilani, Azim Premji, Ashoka University, as well as other institutions accept the SAT and some AP exams. Carnegie Mellon University in Qatar, students have a lot of choice in Asia itself. And of course you have very good choices in the United States, starting with Harvard and Stanford and Berkeley, and we're going on down from there. And we don't do all the APs, we do only the STEM APs. Please remember that. You can definitely call us. Call this number and you can speak to Khushbu, and otherwise you send a mail to engagement@jnanamarga.in. Okay, engagement@jnanamarga.in.
Hi everyone, my name is Prajot Naik. In this video, I am going to demonstrate two of our platforms, that is Sushruta and Ramanujan. So Sushruta app is used by the students who are preparing for the NEET exams, and Ramanujan app is used by the students who are preparing for the JEE exam. So now let's start with the Sushruta app. Okay. So what we are showing here are each of the subjects that are required for the preparations for NEET exams. Okay, so that is physics, chemistry and biology, along with its year. For example, biology 1 will show the syllabus of the 11th standard, and biology 2 will show the syllabus for the 12th standard. So let me select biology 2 here. So what we see is the syllabus. So syllabus is the starting point for any student to navigate to any topic that is interested in. For example, just like in a textbook, how the first page is the index page from where the student can navigate to any topic just by knowing the page number. Our app also integrates textbooks, YouTube and slides, and on click of any topic, student will get all these resources. Okay, so let me show how it works. So let me select this unit 2, that is genetics and evolution. So once we click on this unit, what we get to see is all the chapters that are coming under that unit, and also its subchapters. Okay, now for example, I am clicking on this subchapter, that is 6.5, that is transcription, and what I get to see is all the resources loaded with respect to transcription. Okay, so let me go over them one by one. So the first one that we hear is the textbook resource. So textbook that is used here is basically the NCERT textbook. Okay, and since I had selected transcription, it has directly taken me to that particular page in the textbook. Okay, so let me try to zoom a bit. So this is the transcription. Okay, similarly he can also navigate to the other resources. that is the next resource, that is slides, and we are showing the slides pertaining to that particular topic, that is transcription. And finally the YouTube video. So since we had selected this particular unit, the videos are playing with respect to this particular unit. And for videos, we are showing the videos from the IIT PAL channel, which is there on the YouTube. So one advantage over here is the IIT PAL channel has many videos with the same topic. So what we have done is like we have mapped the right video with the right topic inside our app. And the other resources that we have are, one is the Moodle channel here. So we have integrated Moodle platform with our app. So like for each of the units, what we have done is we have created courses for them inside Moodle. So since I had selected this genetics and evolution unit, I am directly taken to that particular channel. So what lecturers can do is they can post their material here and student can access them. Similarly, there is a chat channel also which is available. Okay. So what it will do is it will directly take you to that particular unit's channel. So since I had selected genetics and evolution, it has directly taken me to that particular channel. So student can actually type their doubts here, and whoever the other students that are joined, or even if the lecturers have joined this channel, they can reply them back. So another thing that I want to show here is like if you're going through the textbook or if you're going through the slides, and if you come across a similar term which like you have read it somewhere, what you can do is you can search for that term. For example, transgenic animals. Okay, so I have selected for this term transgenic animals, and since it is there in like one of the unit, it has directly showing me resources of that particular topic that I have searched. So these are the slides related to transgenic animal. Similarly, this is the textbook page number referring to transgenic animals. Okay. So let's move on to a different subject now. So I'll select chemistry 1. Okay. And similarly, like I'll select unit 2 this time, that is structure of atoms. So what I get to see is all the subtopics, and I select any one subtopic and I get the resources for that particular subtopic. Okay. So these are the slides for the atomic model that I've selected, and this is the textbook resource. It has directly taken me to atomic models here, and similarly the YouTube. Now suppose he is going through the textbook and he finds a particular term, he can search for it. Ionic or electrovalent bond. Okay. So since I had selected ionic or electrovalent bond, it is like directly showing me the slides related to that topic. Okay. So let me show you physics also. So I'll select physics 2. Okay. And let me select dual nature of matter and radiation. So I'll select this photoelectric effect, and we have loaded all the resources pertaining to that particular topic. Okay. So for physics, what we do is, along with NCERT, we also provide a link to the HC Verma book. So like if we have purchased a tablet device, what we have done is like we have preloaded the HC Verma book in it, that is a Kindle version. So whenever you you will click on this, we will show you the which page number to refer in the HC Verma book, and once you click on OK, we will load the HC Verma book for you. Okay, so this is the photoelectric effect. Or you can also type in the page number which is displayed, and like it will take you to that particular page. You can also search for the other topics, for example optics. Okay, and you get the search results. So whatever you have searched, all the resources will be loaded related to the topic that you have selected. Okay. So this was with respect to Sushruta app. So let me also demo the Ramanujan app. Okay. So our Ramanujan app also works on the similar lines. Okay. Only thing, like we don't have biology there, but we have maths. So since I have already shown you physics and chemistry, so let me select maths this time. Okay. So first thing that we do is we load the syllabus, and then you can select any topic that is interested. For example, I'm selecting three-dimensional geometry here. So I get the chapters that are coming under this unit. Once I select that, I get all the resources. Similarly, like from here you can search for any topic and you can actually go to that topic. Addition of vectors. So I am jumping from one unit to another unit now. This is vector coming under vector algebra. And also you can switch to Moodle or chat, because at this particular time all the resources are loaded as per like the topic that you have searched for. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the channel, and any student who knows the answer can reply, or even the lecturers can reply. So another thing that I want to show is, along with the syllabus content, we also provide the formula sheet. Okay, and this formula sheet is like for each of the subject we have provided the formula sheet. So let me open the maths one. So I'll try to zoom a bit. So these are all the formulas with respect to the units. So now, for example, you're going through the straight line formulas, and now you want to read a theory a bit. You can do that. How? By just searching for that topic. Straight lines. Okay. So since straight lines comes under coordinate geometry unit, okay, it will show you that all the chapters here, and once you select this, there you go. So all the resources loaded are for the straight lines. Okay. So that's all we have in this demo session. You can try out the apps from a Google Play Store. You can just search for Sushruta for NEET and Ramanujan for JEE and try them out. Thank you.